If a child or adult you care about has ADHD, you may have heard about the science of neurofeedback, but maybe you're not quite sure what it is or how it can help overcome the challenges with ADHD. Neurofeedback gained popularity during the space program of the 1960s, when NASA scientists first used EEG biofeedback to measure brainwave activity in astronauts. Since that time, neurofeedback has evolved to treat a variety of psychological and physiological challenges. These include ADHD, addiction, anxiety, depression, migraines, PTSD, sleep problems, and much more. Today, more than 50 peer-reviewed scientific publications support the use of neurofeedback in the treatment of ADHD. When combined with standard talk therapy, neurofeedback is a safe and effective alternative to medication. So how does it work? During the first few sessions of neurofeedback, your SAC Center clinician will chart you or your loved one's brainwave activity, carefully noting overactive or underactive EEG patterns. Then, through twice-a-week sessions, your clinician will optimize these brainwaves using audio and visual feedback. Neurofeedback relies on the tools of operant conditioning, a process which scientists have compared to learning how to ride a bike. Over time, people doing neurofeedback training learn to rewire their brainwave patterns in ways that promote better cognitive processing, focus, and attention. To be most effective, neurofeedback typically requires 20 to 40 sessions. For both children and adults, twice-a-week appointments are recommended to achieve maximum results. If someone you care about could benefit from a safe and effective alternative to ADHD medication, call the SAC Center at 646-807-8900. That's 646-807-8900.